What we have here is Insta360 X5 8K 360 action camera. We have the features, maabot siya ng 8K resolution, and meron siyang 3-fold AI chip for superior low light. Meron siyang features, ang tawag po is pure video mode and shoot first, frame later. So evidently you can shoot first. Then they have this video editing tool sa mobile sa personal computer which you can reframe it. Okay, so invisible selfie stick effect and flow state stability. What is included inside the box? We have the unit itself, USB-C cable or charging cable, protective pouch, lens guard, quick start guide, warranty card. Yan, ito po yung mga yun. We have the pouch, USB Type-C or charging cable. Bumili rin po tayo ng lens guard. Itatag ko po sa baba para kung gusto niyo bumili. Bili kayo for 450 pesos. And I also bought this one, yung Insta360 selfie stick. No, mas maganda to po sa ibang selfie stick dahil nga mas magaan. Okay, so this is the unit itself. Medyo mabigat siya compare sa ibang action cam, pero dahil nga mas maganda naman po yung video quality to, that's okay lamang. Compare po sa yung X4 Air, di hamak po na mas mabigat to at mas malaki. But it can provide po yung mas magandang video quality. So we have the unit. We have po yung battery compartment. So let's remove yung battery. Yan. Inside of it, dyan nyo ilalagay yung SD card. Okay. And we have po yung recording button, menu button, and ayaw mag-focus, however, and po, menu button, and we have po yung recording button, and meron pa tayong button dito na pwedeng i-map, and then we have guys yung power button, and pasensya na ay mag-focus. Okay, so let's open po yung unit. Ng 128 gigs ng yung SanDisk, no? Kailangan yung transfer rate ng SD card ay umaabot sa 130 megabytes. Okay, so makikita nyo dito so kapag 8K ay hindi naka tilt fix. Ano ba naman to? Like this one, no, 8K to. Tilt fix natin. Oh no. Wait guys. So kapag 8K, makikita nyo dyan 1 hour 48 minutes lang. So adjust natin. Okay, so kapag 5.7K plus, no, ilang minutes ba yung one? So we have 3 hours and 3 minutes. Guys, kwanto ang 128 gigs of external storage. So kapag binabaan natin resolution, yan, kapag 60 frames per seconds, so meron kang Oh, mali. 60. Okay, so 1.42 minutes, no? Siguro kapag babaan natin yung frames per seconds, gawin natin 30. Yun, naging 3 hours and 28 minutes. Okay, so pag 4K, yan. Let's go to 60. Meron kang 3 hours and 45 minutes. And asa mo yung frame rate. Yan, kasi gusto mo, pag in-edit mo, gusto mong slow mo. Yan, so 2 hours and 5 minutes. No? So, again, we have guys yung shutter, no, the power button, and we have guys yung key para sa options. Okay, so dito binubuksan yung, and dito yung type C. Okay, so that's it. First expression lang naman. Okay, thank you.